Hey guys, Jay Plays here. I know I keep changing my name, but today we're going to be joined by Blaine122.
Hello.
We're going to chat with Skype.
Hey, can I just say, I know you have no clue who I am, but I am Cyborg Robot. Now, I know my name isn't it, but I usually play Roblox. Now, I can't record on Minecraft, but if we can hit like 10 likes, we can maybe try. Okay. But like, I can't find the right recorders. Yeah, but I'm on Windows 10, by the way.
Yeah, Windows 8 and Windows 10. I would do videos on my laptop, but I can't because you don't get recorders for Windows 8 and 10. Did you just mute me? Okay, I suppose we better start punching wood. We can go hunting because there's no.
Have you on some sort of island?
Yeah, we are on an island. Oh my gosh, a wall! Oh
Where?
no! Why is it so laggy?
Hey, buddy.
Daisy hit it. Did you just snipe it?
Hello.
So James doesn't normally do speaking videos. And I know it's his name, but I actually didn't because I didn't know he was speaking. So yeah. So now it's gameplay. We'll figure out it's the one I actually plan to have. Inspired by the clip. Are you okay? Your camera's cutting out.
It's so freaking laggy.
I know, it's so flipping laggy. Laggy boy. Right, I'm going to start making boats.
I can hardly hear you. Like, you're so static.
Well, I can understand you. Do you want me to shout?
No. I've got headphones in. No, Jade, we're going to try to survive our Let's Play on this.
Okay. Well, I'm just going to make some swords. Well, actually one sword, so I will have
Here, join this. Okay, let's come to the day. I've got something. Are you ready for this? Have something.
I thought you was a robot. I don't know, do you like guys watching this video, do you like my new fan art and all that? Well, I actually created it myself. And
Oh guys, leave that for my intro. Oh guys, if you're watching on Jade's channel, so you will be, but like, go check out my channel. Check out my best friend as well. And also subscribe to him and also me because we're doing collabs. Collab life. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Stop hitting me! Jade! Give me that back. Now.
I've got to be in your club. You're a twin, you got to let me.
Yes, you are!
Yay!
Wait, I'm more than 7. I'm more than 7. No, I'm more with the 7. Do that.
Stop it!
Get my wood.
Wood! No!
Get my wood.
Okay,
you can hear my wood? Wood.
Are you watching it?
More than that.
No, that is literally all.
Uh-huh.
I've got a sword.
Get out of there.
By the way, are you watching Scooby-Doo, one of the Chinese ones?
Huh?
I can hear the TV.
Can you?
Yeah.
I've got my headphones in. I don't know if you can hear that. Can you hear me? Today, is it loud for you? Okay, I bet this is really cringy to watch. So Jade, how's that new intro going?
I've forgotten how you but I'll show you the video, see if you guys like it, and maybe one of you can comment how to do it on the
You've got to add it in this one, okay?
Guys, if you want to know how to do it, I'll show you the video, and comment down below to show me how to do it.
Make my house. I know. Come. No, get out. Get out. Out. Out.
I'm not in.
Out.
I've literally got 2 hearts. You know what? I can't let you out this game. It is my server. Stop asking something.
Out. Oh, I didn't mean to. I didn't take any of this stuff. What? I don't know. I don't take any of the stuff. Didn't know because then I feel good.
Tell Mum
I got busy. Leave.
Wait, can I ask you something? Tell
What?
Mum I can hear her. By the way, you know when you're at your friends?
Yeah.
We can Skype
My best friend.
Yeah.
Charlie. Charlie Hot Dog plays. Hey, go subscribe to him. What? Sweet. Yeah. Hey, small book.
No, Daddy, you took all my words. No, it's actually my wood. I just mined it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put your wood down. Okay. I didn't touch it. Stop hitting me! I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you.
Hey, that.
If you took any of my stuff, I'm gonna kill you. Jace, you're taking my stuff.
Oh, no.
Get out.
Okay. Get out then. Stop hitting me.
Get out.
Yeah.
The heck is that?
What the heck is what?
Jade, what's in the background? I can hear some sort of screech. You should get a proper microphone.
Hey, it's on my iPad. It's the best recorder I could get. Otherwise, the other one's all messed up.
Huh?
The other one's messed up.
Is Mara messed up?
No. Oh, I can hear the TV and Mum's music because I'm actually sending the images. Oh my god, Mark, I need to tell you something. My little sister, yeah, she watches this thing, nursery song called Johnny Junior, and I've got it in my head, and it is annoying me. I'll do a review on it, but there's this really cool
Oh, guys, we can hit 10 subscribers on my video, on my channel, I will generally straight up do Minecraft videos. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Stop! Get out!
Oh yeah,
Out.
bombs is on, so I'm probably gonna die out here. But don't worry,
Yeah.
I'll be on this plank. Get it. I need a small one. You've got enough sand glass.
And then there's like I'm not the I think I'm like the biggest noob here. I can vouch now that you're gonna die.
No, I'm above ground.
Huh?
Look,
Your
come here.
voice is freaking messed up.
Come here.
So freaking.
Come here. Jaden.
What?
Come here.
No.
Yeah, I want to see my house.
I'm doing my house, right? Fun.
Safe.
Why are you doing it there? Yeah.
Don't hit me.
Wait, I have food on me. Where is it?
I don't know. I've got my chicken I've killed earlier.
That's good. Oh.
Catch brand new episodes of My Nice Play. Now good in the good. Starting Monday the 4th of September at 6. Only on Boomerang.
Hey, Jade. Suck at Minecraft. Mummy.
That's not good.
Huh?
Do you want me to set time day?
What the heck are you doing?
I think I'm going to end this video now.
What's that?
See you next time. Bye.